Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a triple Boxycharm unboxing. We have base box, we have the premium, and also Luxe for this month. So these were sent to me from Boxycharm. I'm going to go ahead and unbox everything and just show you what's all inside, what I got, so you guys can get excited for your boxes coming this month as well. So we're going to start from lowest to biggest. Now I'm pretty sure, as long as the rules haven't changed, that usually if you guys get the Luxe subscription, which is only every few months, you don't get a base box for that month because usually there's base box items included in Luxe. It kind of replaces your base and then you get a couple extra more products. So the theme this month is Gift of Glam. And the first thing I am going to pull out here, we did get some skincare. This is from the brand Mud Masky, and this is their mineral infused double cleansing mask. So it says deep cleansing, pore finding, restoring, nourishing, and hydrating. It's fragrance free. I'm kind of curious about this. It does say you do want to remove your makeup first, obviously, and then wash your face with water, and then you put on the cleansing mask and then wash off. So I don't know, I might try that out. It seems kind of fun. The card here says that it retails for $59, and the signature ingredient is this Moroccan lava clay, apparently, in the formula. The next product we got, this is from Seraphine Botanicals. We have the Luna Liner water resistant liquid eyeliner. So just a basic black eyeliner that retails for $18. We do have something from the brand Sophia and Mabel. This is a satin powder highlight in peach sangria. This is definitely kind of a deeper highlight than I would use. Let me go ahead and share. It's a beautiful formula though. Like, it's so soft. It's more like a copper tone. I would definitely use this more as eyeshadow or maybe a blush highlight duo. But the formula feels incredible. Just probably not something I'll get a lot of use out of. This does retail for $22. I also received from Algenist the Triple Algae Eye Renewal Balm. I already own this in my collection. It's actually one of the best eye creams. You guys have to try it if you get it in your box. It's so good. This retails for $68, and it says here that it's clinically shown to help reduce dark under eye circles, bags, puffiness, lines, wrinkles, and crow's feet in just 10 days. And I feel like it does make a difference for sure. And then the last thing I got, this is from the brand Wish. I've tried this brand, like shower gels, I think. They used to be on Ulta. I don't know if they still are, but this looks really good. It's a vanilla bean lip mask. So I'm actually very curious about this. It might be my favorite thing in here just because I feel like we got a lot of non-exciting products and then some repeat items, but this smells really good. I'm always a fan of a good lip mask. It has bakuchiol in the formula, which I think is a type of retinol, I'm pretty sure, but it retails for $32, and it's supposed to give long-lasting, intense moisturization. So definitely probably the most exciting thing in here for me, but definitely an underwhelming base box for sure this month. Alright, so in the premium, it looks like we have some face masks here. This is from ID.az. No idea what this is. It says Dermastic Water Fit Mask Hydrate. It says truly moisturizing solution for the skin. It looks like there's 5 of them included in here, and this retails for $20. So never heard of this brand. I'm not like super excited about it. I don't know. I'm not a huge fan of sheet masks. Next thing is from Elemis. I know a lot of people do enjoy Elemis products. This is the Superfood Matcha. I do kind of curious. I know some of their stuff is really like strong smelling though, so we'll have to see about this. It retails for $39. It has matcha, kiwi, honeydew melon, and a prebiotic to quench and hydrate the under eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and see. So this is what it looks like. It is a full size because usually eye creams are pretty small, and this one's not fragranced. I don't smell anything, so that's good. It sinks right into the skin. It's almost like a gel finish, but I definitely want to use that. It sounds really good. All right, we have something from the brand Epione Beverly Hills. It's a flawless serum. It looks like one of those brands that probably charges $50 for a serum, but the packaging just is not living up to the hype. Let's see, this retails, you guys, this retails $195. Like, I was being generous giving them the $50 price point, but damn. Really? No way. what does this have? Like gold in it. It says it's manufactured in Beverly Hills. It's supposed to reduce the appearance of lines and wrinkles, tightens and firms while providing the skin's surface with a protective barrier. Here's the thing. I feel like if these brands really retail for this much and they're doing well, they wouldn't be in a Boxycharm box, in my humble opinion. But to each their own. Next up, we got something from Stila. It's the Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. I actually have tried this one before, and I'm actually excited to have it again because it's a really good one. I do like this formula. This retails for $23. I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like. This is the packaging, and it is a good mascara, so I'm excited about that. We got some, looks like lip liners here from Evio Beauty Creamy Lipspo. These retail for $24 for the duo. It says it's a velvety formula that glides effortlessly along your lips for a perfectly defined pout and a matte finish. I have so much lip liners right now, so I don't really need this. I might do a little giveaway at the end. We'll see what I have to give away. And then I also have here from Kenya Ontiveros Beauty Glow and Go kit here. I have never heard of half of these brands. This is what it looks like. It's kind of fun. Like, it has a little bit of everything. Very light though. Like, this does not have a lot of depth at all for multiple skin tones, but these shimmers do look very pretty. We got some highlights going on here and maybe a bronzer. All right, let me swatch it. This shimmer is stunning. I will admit that. Swatches beautifully. It's very buttery. The mattes, they also feel nice. This is angelic, so you would think this is a highlight, but it's more of like a plain powder. I'm not really sure what's going on here. I don't know. I don't know how to feel. So that's my Boxycharm Premium. Again, I'm not that impressed. Like, where's the brands that, like, I know? I don't know. I always like to at least get majority of brands that I'm familiar with and not just like these random Boxycharm brands. Alright, let's see if the Luxe Box can redeem themselves for this month, because so far I'm kind of feeling let down. Okay, I see a little bit of better stuff here. So this is the Winter Luxe Box. And the first thing we have here, this is from Ofra, and this is a giant palette. It's the highlighting and bronzing palette from them. So it actually contains a lot of their best sellers in here, full sizes, so really a great value here. This is what you get. We got Blissful Highlight on the right, Egyptian Clay Bronzer, and then Americano Bronzer over here. The California Dream Triangle, the Beverly Hills Highlighter. This is a gorgeous trio, and then the Rodeo Dry Highlighter. So honestly, this is a really nice palette, really good value in the Luxe Box since you get basically 6 full sizes in here. They did value this at $149. You could probably get this for probably half that on Ofra's site normally with coupons. I have a lot of their stuff already, so I'm gonna put this in the giveaway. Okay, I am excited to see this from Kitsch, and we got the Satin Sleep Set. It comes with the satin pillowcase, the eye mask, and also a sleep scrunchie. This is definitely something I will use. I just actually got from, I think the other one I got is from Sleep brand, but it matches this, so I only got one pillowcase from Sleep, so this one will actually match perfect for my other pillowcase upstairs. And then I love their scrunchies, and the eye masks are really nice as well. I am excited about this. This retails for $36. Next we got, oh, I've seen this at TJ Maxx or Marshall's with this packaging, the Pure Fully Charged Mascara, another one that I actually do really enjoy. This is the Kat Berkey Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream. This is a really big face cream. It's 1.7 ounces. I've never heard of this brand. This retails for, again, with the high price tag, $116 for this. It's a vitamin C intensive one, I guess. I know I'm not going to use this. I'm going to put this in the giveaway again. I have so much skincare already. Another skincare. This is Acetology. I see this brand at TJ a lot. Detoxifying Treatment Mask. This retails for $69 for this. It's supposed to help with congested skin, to draw out blackheads and impurities and clear clogged pores. Again, this is going to go in the giveaway. I got a Persona product. I got another product from them last month, which I was really happy about. I think I got the eyeshadow palette last month, but I got an eyeliner. I am excited because Persona is a brand I am familiar with, and I do want to try more of their line. This one is their 24-hour waterproof eyeliner. It comes in this like plastic packaging here. I'll just go ahead and open it. And we got just a regular black shade. Super creamy. That'll go right into my makeup collection. Oh, we got a full size of the One Size Go Off Mist. Do not confuse this for a hairspray or like a makeup setting spray. This is a cleansing balm basically, so it's a spray version. You probably want to get your hair out of the way, like use one of those little headband things, and then you can spray this directly on your face if you want. You could spray it into your hands and then it dissolves your makeup. This actually works really good. I'm actually excited to have it in the full size again. This is $24. And then we have some brushes, I think, which is in this interesting little container by LaRousse. We got some blue studded brushes here for the face and eyes. It's called the Christine set from LaRousse. So I think I'm gonna put that in the giveaway as well, because brushes is definitely something I don't need a lot of right now, and I feel like I am getting brushes in like all my boxes. So that is it for the Luxe box this month. It was definitely the better of the boxes, but I don't know, this was a weird month. I feel like maybe on the Luxe months they go all out for Luxe, but maybe the other boxes suffer a little bit. I'm just kind of tired of these random luxury price brands that we've never heard of all the time. It's like, why are you charging La Mer prices when I'm not really familiar with your I don't know. I'm usually familiar with a lot of brands, so that's why I'm always like shocked when I don't recognize one. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this unboxing. Let me know your thoughts down below. I feel like Boxycharm and Ipsy are really losing their magic lately. I'm really this close to unsubscribing from my Ipsy bag. I honestly haven't been unboxing them on my channel, and now I just don't know if I want to continue with Boxycharm unboxings. If it is something you guys like to see, then I'll do it for you, of course. I am doing a giveaway for you guys with some of these products here that I mentioned earlier. So if you guys want to enter that, I'll end it a week from today. But to enter, just leave a comment down below. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel as well. And for the winner, I'll probably reply to your comment on my video, so make sure you have your notifications on for YouTube. But that is going to be it for this unboxing. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.